Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we will introduce a trunk mat designed for Honda CRV 2023, 2024 and 2025 model. This Binmotor trunk mat not only provides excellent protection, but also brings excellent aesthetic effects to your Honda CRV. In terms of design, it uses high-quality materials to ensure a long service life. Now, let's take a look at the special design of this trunk mat. The lower mat is designed for gasoline vehicles and provides a shape and size that fits the trunk perfectly. It can effectively prevent liquid leakage and protect your vehicle from stains. This trunk mat has an upper layer and a lower layer. The following is an incorrect way to install. Below is the upper installation display. The upper mat is not only suitable for gasoline cars, but also for hybrid cars. It uses special materials to resist corrosion from mixed fuels and provide an extra layer of protection. Whether you drive a gasoline car or a hybrid car, this trunk mat can meet your needs. Whether you travel frequently or need to use the trunk in your daily life, Binmotor's trunk mat is an indispensable choice for you. It not only protects your vehicle, but also increases the cleanliness and beauty of the car.